Hoi allemaal, welkom terug op mijn kanaal. Ik heet Cyrus en vandaag het is tutorial number 7. Ik denk het is 7. We are getting back into the tutorial of the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions 2. This is getting really dirty. But so far we have curated some beautiful looks, but today I actually want to play around with this, maybe a little bit more of this. I kind of want to do something more pinky, more rosé type of thing, is as per se, I guess. And I will continue to do this as the foundation because I have it. Might as well continue using it. But without further ado, let me go ahead and get my eyes prepped and ready, and we are going to get right into this tutorial. Eyes are prepped with the Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer by Fenty Beauty. So, I want to dig into this, what is this called? Loyal. This more mauve type a cream. I did use it for a blush and it was beautiful, but we are going to go ahead. No, that's the wrong brush. Wrong brush. Of course. So we're going to dip into Loyal and we are going to put this right into the crease. Ooh. Ooh, she's pigmented. She is very much so pigmented. Wow. Okay. Was not expecting that much pigment, but hey. Hey there. Okay. And the thing about this is that it is mauve, but it has like some warmth to it, which really annoys me because it is very rare to find a brand that will do full on just cool tones, but hopefully a lot of brands will go back into that. And by cool tones, I mean like, let's go back to Urban Decay's Naked 2 and Smoky palette, that kind of cool tones. But for the most part, this is gorge. This is beautiful. Very pigmented, that is for sure. Very social media-esque, but so far, I have no complaints about this palette. Just the fact that, I don't know, doing makeup for 20 years, over 20 years now, it's just everything has been done. Nothing really new. Anyways, that is on. I think for the lid, I actually really want to go into romance, mama, because I want something pinky. Romance, want you buy ooh. Oh, this is what I love about playing with palettes. You just never know what you're going to get. But the exquisiteness, the shimmer, the galactic glimmering of this palette is like, that looks like it's like a wet eyelid, and I am living for this. Oh, my word. I mean, how many grams of product do you get? So the cream you get 1.8 grams, and the powders you get 1.8 grams as well. I mean, my bad, the cream 1.85 grams, and the powders are 1.8. That is actually a lot of product. This is going to last a while, that's for sure. This is where we are at. Like I said, tutorial number 7. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is freaking gorgeous. This is Easter morning, basically. I think let's go into Devotion for the crease, to add a little bit depth. Devotion. Into this crease. To add some depth. There we go. Gorge. For the most part, everything blends and plays very, very well, which I love. And the fact that it's a cream down first, it's picking up quite a bit of product. Not picking up, it's adhering to the powder product very well, which is exquisite. And something I've been wanting, but for the most part, we're gonna go to blend this out because I just want some dimension in the crease. Obviously, we are going to use Heartache for the smokiness because I believe the last two we use Kat Von D, which also played very well with this palette. I do feel like Major Dimensions 3, they have the mattes. So if you have that, you could definitely incorporate this in to that palette. Ooh, that is gorgeous. It just adds just the right amount of depth. Devotion. This is gorgeous. Like, are they twins or are they just step cousins at this point? They're cousins. What you doing, cuz? Now we are gonna dip into Heartache. Make sure I said that right. Yes, the Heartache is coming in. It is like mid-July, so this is where we are at with this tutorial. Ooh. I just love how that you can still build this on top of what you already put down. It plays well. Which is good, obviously, but ooh, this Heartache is gonna be breaking hearts. All right, so tutorial number 7. I'm gonna get up to 10 and then I will incorporate some other things. Like I said, I do want to see how well it plays with the Utopian Dreams Venusian Orchid, I think it's called, or whatever, that lime green type of thing, because this Lust is giving me vibes of Divine Rose 2, the Trio Chrome, and such, but we shall see what it will do. I think one side is a lot more edgier than the other, which is annoying. Whatever. We will continue. The show must go on regardless, but we shall see how this will come out. Let me go in with the fluffy and just begin to smoke out the edges. I swear, the thing about doing looks, it's always building, blending, building and blending, no matter what. That's how it is. But you guys get to see the start of the eye look to somewhat the end. But this Heartache is such a perfect plum. I would love it if Patrick Tall, the brand, came out with a purely cool toned palette. Kind of like how Marc Jacobs did the, what was it called? Stiletto, I think it was. Like, you don't see palettes like that anymore. All right, so that is that. And for the brow bone, I think I'm going to just go ahead and, I kind of feel like I already did this look. Did I do it? Did I just repeat a look? I think I did. Gonna have to go back and look at everything I just did. Because if I did, then I sure as hell did not use Loyal for that one. So I will look back at my videos and see if I just redid this look again. Because if I did, I'm so sorry. But I think for the brow bone, I will go into Crush. Oh, this just feels like silk. Ooh. Oh. And just blend that out. Even the mattes, applying with the fingertips, are exquisitely silky and smooth. That feels like 100 cotton thread type of silk. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out a little bit more and you guys will see the look before I put on the face. This is the final look. Ooh, child. Alright, so this is the final look, tutorial number 7. We definitely got some edge going on. I do love this look, but I saw this and it has this diamond powder, and I was just curious as to, Yahtzee. Ooh, child. Okay, so we got the diamond powder on top, making it more of that Barbie pink. Ooh, girl. Ooh, child, what did I just do? All right, this is the final look. Tutorial number 7. Love this. For primer, I actually went ahead and went in with, where did I put it? The Charlotte Tilbury's, because I have a sample of it. What is it? Magic Cream to prep the skin. I love the way that feels. It's a good amount of fattiness. Pardon me, which I love. Under eye corrector is the Flash Luminizer by Dior. And Charlotte Tilbury's Vanish Magic whatever thingy number 2. Foundation is the Patrick Ta Cream Foundation Finishing Powder Duo in medium 3. The more and more I use this, the more I love it. I love that my skin still seeps through. You can see my skin, which is really nice. And I love foundations that allow my skin to peep through, so it actually still looks like I have nothing on, even though I do. Medium 3 is what I have on, and of course the finishing powder, not the setting powder, finishing powder I have on top of that. Highlighter and contort is the Nude Gasm Face Palette from Charlotte Tilbury. I went ahead and mixed these two for my highlight, and I did this for my bronzer, to be quite honest. So I do adore that. I still love this. Charlotte Tilbury, come out with more, please. Blush is actually the cream from She's Wanted. Now this I love. Depending on what brush you use, it is very buildable, pigmented for sure, but it's just such a beautiful rouge. And I think a lot of brands as of recently have been coming out with something like this, so it is what it is. Under the foundation to set my color correctors is the NARS Crystal Translucent Crystal Light Reflecting Setting Powder, the translucent one, obviously. Brows is actually, I went old school with brows. I went all the way back to my Urban Decay. I completely forgot I had this, but I went with the Buck Eyeshadow, which is such a cool tone, neutral shadow, which, I mean, it's rare to find something like this. So that's what I dipped into for my brows. Oh my God, I forgot about these shadows. What is this, Rockstar? And what was the blue one called? I completely forgot what this one was called, if it will come out. Radium. It's what the blue is called. I mean, look at, they don't make them like they used to. 1.5 grams of product is what they used to have back in the day for their single shadows. You know what? Since we're here, let's just swatch these two. Completely irrelevant, but this is going to be Radium and Rockstar. Like they just really don't. They really don't do this anymore, do they? Like this all over the eye as a smoky. Ooh, we will get into that. Eventually we will get into that. And lips is the Opulous Gloss by Charlotte Tilbury and Pale Fire Nectar. That is still going strong. But for the most part, tutorial number 7. This is a beautiful palette. It's starting to get a little redundant, I'm not gonna lie. But if you have it, pull it out. Let us create some more looks. If you need some inspiration, you have this to look at. So, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures. You guys could see the final edits on my Instagram page, my TikTok, and I will see you guys next video.